Hello, Primary 4. How are you today? This is our time of science session. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Today, I'm going to talk about forces. And now, what do you see? This apple is falling from the tree. But why? Which force pulls this apple down? What do you think? Do you know that there are several natural forces, like the force that pulls objects downward, and this force is called gravity force. Wow, we have a force on our planet, on the Earth, and this force is called gravity force. And this force pulls objects downward. Like what? Like this apple from this tree. Gravity pulls this apple downward to the ground. And now, force. Push and pull forces. Force, it's a push or pull on an object that causes it to change position. So, the force again is a push or pull on an object that causes it to change position. All motion, fast or slow, is caused by force. So, to move any object, you need what? Super force. And for all motion, you need force. Very good. And now, sitting on a chair. What do you think about forces on you now? You have a force pull you down? What do you think? Super! You have gravity force pull you down now. It may not feel like there is any force acting on your body, but in fact, there is a kind of force called gravity force. It's pulling you downward and holding you in that chair. You can walk on moon? No. You can sit on moon? No, there is no gravity force inside the moon. But on our planet, on the Earth, we have gravity force. And this gravity force is pulling you downward. Like when you are sitting on a chair, there is a force. Gravity force is pulling you downward and holding you in that chair. And this force is very, very important. Gravity force. And now, holding objects. What do you think of forces on this object now, on this bag now? Only one force or two forces? Yeah, excellent. We have force of gravity force. Excellent. Pulls this bag downward. And we have another force. Very good. We have another force, which the force of your hand, which pulls this bag up. And we can say that two forces are called multiple forces, are acting from different directions during pulling a bag up from the floor. And now we can say on this bag we have two forces, Gravity force down and hand force up. Multiple forces, two forces, pulling a bag up from the floor. During pulling a bag up from the floor, gravity force pulls the bag downward, and your hand, the force of your hand, pulls the bag up. Gravity pulls your bag down while your arm lifts it up, lifts this bag up. Okay, so we have multiple forces or two forces. And now, forces affect objects' motion. Starting and stopping motion using pushing force, like vendors or sellers push carts through busy markets. Can you see seller now? He's pushing carts through busy markets. And playing football games. Playing football games, these boys are pushing the ball during playing football. They are using pushing force to move this ball. And now, starting and stopping motion using pulling force. Like what? Like pulling your bag upwards. Pulling your bag upwards with or by pulling force. And things fall down due to super gravity force. Like this apple falls down from the tree because of the gravity force pulls it downward. Excellent. And now we have some questions. Who can answer with me? Are you ready? Classify the following examples into push or pull. Number one, falling off the pen towards the ground. Falling off the pen towards the ground. This is push or pull. What do you think? Super, this is pull. But why? Gravity force, excellent, pulls this pen down, excellent, downward. And now, picking up a glass of water towards you or away from you. Very good, towards you. So this is push or pull. Excellent, pull, super. And now, number 3. Who can answer 3? Stopping the ball by the goalkeeper. This is what? Push or pull? Away from the goalkeeper or towards him? Away, excellent. So this is push or pull force. Very good, push force. Very good. And now, this is the end of our session. Did you like it? Thank you, my lovely students. See you soon. Bye-bye.